Hello everyone, welcome to iLabMath. In this video, we will simplify rational algebraic expression. Rational algebraic expression is a rational expression that can be written in the form of P over Q or fraction, where P and Q are polynomials and Q must not equal to 0. Kasi pag 0 yung denominator natin, our expression will be undefined. Okay, what is polynomials? Polynomials must not have variables that have negative exponent. So, pag mayroong negative exponent ang expression, ibig sabihin hindi yan polynomials. Katulad ng 4y raised to the power of negative 3, so hindi siya polynomials. Variables that have fractional exponent, like 2x to the power of 2/3, hindi ito polynomials kasi fraction yung exponent niya. Variables that have decimal exponent, yes, this is not a polynomial dahil decimal ang exponent ng variable. Then, letter D, variables that are inside the radical sign. Like this example, hindi ito polynomials dahil meron siyang variable na nasa loob ng radical sign. Okay, simplifying rational algebraic expression, we have 9x plus 15 all over 3. So, first we will factor the numerator and the denominator. Kung mapapansin ninyo, 9x plus 15, common factor nila is 3. So, we will divide by 3. 9x divided by 3 is equal to 3x. Then 15 divided by 3 is 5. So next, divide or cancel out the common factor. So ika-cancel natin ang common factor, which is 3. Okay, so the remaining terms are 3x plus 5. So this is now the simplified form of our 9x plus 15 all over 3. Next example, x squared minus 6x plus 8 all over 4x minus 8. So we will factor. The numerator can be factored as a quadratic trinomial. So we will factor, the factors are x minus 4 and x minus 2. So 4 is the common factor of 4x minus 8. So we have 4x divided by 4 is equal to x. Then 8 divided by 4 is 2. Next, we will cancel out the common factor. Ang common factor nila, which is x minus 2. Then, the remaining terms are x minus 4 all over 4. So, this is now our simplified form of our x squared minus 6x plus 8 all over 4x minus 8. Our next example, we have 8x minus 32 all over 4x squared minus 64. So, we will factor first the numerator, 8x minus 32. Common factor is 8. So, divide 8x divided by 8 is equals to x. Then 32 divided by 8 is equals to 4. So, we have x minus 4. 4x squared minus 64. 4x squared divided by 4 is equals to x squared minus 64 divided by 4 is equal to 2 16ths. So, we have x squared minus 16. But, ang ating denominator can be factored out by difference, sum and difference of 2 square. So, we have x minus 4. So, square of 16 is 4. So, we have x minus 4 and x plus 4. So, we will cancel out the common factor, which is the x minus 4. And our 8 and 4 can be factored as, a common factor nila is 4. So, 4 divided by 4, 1. Then, 8 divided by 4 is 2. So, we have the remaining 2 all over x plus 4. This is now our simplified form of 8x minus 32 all over 4x squared minus 64. Next example, we have x squared minus 4, a perfect square, sum and difference of a perfect square. Then, our quadratic trinomials, the denominator, so we will factor our numerator, x plus 2, and x minus 2 is the factor of x squared minus 4. Then, sa baba, denominator natin is x plus 6 times x minus 2. Common factor natin is x minus 2. Cancelled out. So, the remaining is x plus 2 all over x minus 6. So, this is now the factored form of our expression, rational algebraic expression, x squared minus 4 all over x squared plus 4x minus 12. Okay. Test yourself. Tingnan natin kung may natutunan kayo. So, isusolve nyo. Try to solve this in your notebook. And that's it. Thank you and bye-bye.